Okay, I just want to make a quick video demonstrating how you install NextPVR on a Windows 10 machine. So this is a clean machine, hasn't got anything installed on it. I'll fire up the browser, paste in the install URL. Okay, do I want to run it? Yes. Okay, I'll get rid of the browser. License agreement, yes, I agree. Default location, install. So it goes through a few steps. The first step is downloading the latest build. Next up, it'll extract it. And now it's installing the NextPVR service, which does all the recordings in the background and so on. And we're done. It's installed, so I can log in with the default admin password.